I'm a big fan of copy trading, and I'm not a big fan of KYC. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. So that's why I love BingX. They don't require you to sign your life away and give them everything about you and your firstborn child to sign up like those other platforms, Binance. While the platform actually has some unique features, some of them which I've talked about previously, but copy trading, they have so much with the copy trading. We can check out their leaderboards, we can check the recruitment, all sorts of stuff. That didn't work for whatever reason, but if we go to copy trading, you can see that they have the different trending traders, the 284% from the mystery man. All men has 15% gain, and 126621 has 48% gain. But if you're looking for more of a conservative, they have Rose M, they have some other ones over here. I can't speak those languages. Or if you're looking for more rising stars, we have another language I can't pronounce, Traveler ETH, and the ETH or the crypto whaler. And then you have some crypto pros with 73% gains, which is just insane. That's just, I believe, in the last 30 days, 8%, 14, 63%, 94%, just insane amount of gains for the copy trading. And they have more, they have a leaderboard. You can see that this person, Pro Futures, with a insane 1500%, a Gmail account with 1200, and this is just in a 7-day span, just insane amounts of gains. You can definitely see what they're doing in the leaderboards. If we head over to the recruitment center, you can see that they are recruiting for more elite traders. So definitely can do that. They already have so many benefits, but you can get even more benefits for being a elite copy trader. Some of those benefits, just for signing up, you can head over to the reward hub and see what they have. They have quite a bit, with up to 6,000 USD for a limited time to earn those maximum rewards. Just for signing up, you can get $10 to $30. And if you want to do KYC, you can get up to $500 for doing KYC. They also have a first deposit bonus and a first trade, while a deposit trade challenge is also going on. You can see they have a trial fund, and so forth. I believe they also do have copy trading so that you can practice your trading. They have grid trades, they have derivatives, spot trading, markets, and good old buying and peer-to-peer trading. Definitely want to sign up an account. Really easy to do, either using your email or your phone number. Just go ahead and click on sign up. As you can do your email or your phone number and get some of these sweet rewards. $30 for signing up right away. And then obviously KYC gets you up to $500 bonus and a maximum trade bonus of 500 USDT. So definitely check that out. Once you sign in, you can get some extra rewards for signing in and checking in consecutively. If I would have checked in yesterday, I would have got some sweet rewards, but I didn't check in. So as you can see, they have your sign-in bonus, we have rewards, our wealth tab, our copy trading. You can see our asset tabs, our grid trading, copy trading, a wealth account, futures account. So much going on here, and you can have it too if you sign up down below. So just your awesome platform that gives a lot of money for signing up. So why wouldn't you want to sign up and copy elite traders that are making some sweet gains just for following them? I mean, all you have to do is go to Leaderboard, head over here, see the risk, see the cumulative P&L, click on copy trade, and then this is their followers, where they're from, what their current position is, how much they've gained in the last 7 days. You can do it by the last 90 days, in the last 30 days. So definitely worth checking out. It has a great rundown of all of their trades, what they've done, what they're trading, the amount, and what their positions are. So definitely check out BingX. It's well worth your while. Until next time, guys, BingX is a great platform with low to no KYC. They have a lot of prizes and sign-up bonuses going on, and you can copy trade and check out the leaderboard so that you know what's going on with your trades. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.